the Tank Radio. I'm Frank, KG5AHJ, and today I'm going to show you my field day experience. Play that awesome intro video. This is how I pack for trips. A week out, I break up everything on a particular day. Day one is usually equipment that's not electronics, so I have here a cot, a mag mount antenna, and my overnight bag. Day number two is the electronics. I have an electronics dry bag, which will break out in a minute, and my camera bag. You might also see the dry foods bag and the styrofoam for foods. They're just set out so when I do get ready, I don't have to go find them. Electronics dry bag. This bag will hold all the electronics I'm bringing to field day. We're going to start with another bag. This bag holds all my power chargers for all my HTs that I'm bringing with me, along with the power cables, and then there's another extension cord for radios. To the left of that is the Linksys router. This router I do have flashed and ready to go for field day operations or any other type of operations. It just needs to be plugged in. The passwords are written on it. Then an extra GoPro camera. Then there is my Surface. Everyone knows that. Along with the 2 extra power cords, because 2 is 1 and 1 is none. An extension cord. And finally, a Ubiquiti router that I have flashed to Arden, and then a USB router. That USB router is also flashed to Arden. I use it as an access point so I can get on other nodes. It's not really good as a node itself, but great just to access a network that's already existing. So all that fits into that 20-liter dry bag. So let's see how it holds up. Last day of packing is usually the clothes and all the food. Let's jump on the road. Of course, you gotta stop for some dinner. Popeyes. Why is there all this traffic on a Thursday evening?
Basically, the way that my pump runs, I'm just picking up the bottom. Coffee's boiling.
This is what everyone's been requesting. Ribs! First, you gotta prep your work area. Next, we're gonna be removing the membrane. This one was particularly difficult, so I just cut it off with a knife. These next couple of ones were pretty easy. I used a spoon to work the membrane up off the bone, and then with a dry paper towel, go ahead and pull the membrane right off. Since I cheated and bought pre-cut St. Louis style ribs, there wasn't much trimming that needed to be done after we removed the membrane. This next part is just my style, and there's a long explanation on why I'm doing this, but I make a foil boat I cook the ribs in. Finally, you rub down your meat. This particular rub is my own rub, and I made it from scratch. No, you're not going to have the recipe. And here it is on the smoker. I made fire! Fire! I made! Not them! Me! Fire! Yay! and finally pulled off. Wow, they look good. Yes. Popcorn.
Sorry. I'm a and just for a warning, Bob, I know there are some restrictions, so the sausage, links, and patties are all pork. I don't know if that's a problem. You're eating bacon, never mind. Yeah, never mind.
That was on camera.
Hey, Frank, yeah, I was gonna say, remember.
Actual field day at my usual spot. About to warm up to lunch. Last night's ribs. Yes, look at that. Beautiful.
Like you can't even change it. You can't swap bands or anything. Everyone's on something. You know what?
Field day is started and I'm still at the grill. Woo! Hot. We got some sausage courtesy to Jake. Venison sausage. Key to cutting the ribs, flip them on the back and look where the bone and the meat are. Cut right between. Boom. Let's go ahead and put this guy together. I have the new base that I made last video that goes on like so. Boom. Look at that. Now I just got to figure out which one goes to where. Let's do the back element first. Whoops. There we go. We're in shot now. There we go. We got the antenna connected. This time I'm using the Waxon KG5. That's me. KGV55. And then last thing I like to use, this is a phone mount. So we can put it right here, hold my phone, and it will tell me the satellite orbits as it tracks across the sky. So then we just align it inside, the same direction as the antenna, tighten it down. Now, anywhere we point, the phone points, and then the tracking across the sky is updated on the phone correctly. And got my satellite rig. Now see if we can find a satellite. Tonight is Bob's night. I don't have to do a thing.
Thank you very much for the contact.
And when he's ready, and Mike's ready, we are going to get the perfect slice of barbecue for me. None of these others for me.
Get the audio.
Oh gosh.
And good luck in the contest.
Gosh golly.
Don't you wish you lived in Texas?
Oh,
That's how we cook at home all the time.
You should not be giving this to me. It's off right now?
It's off now.
One hotel recipe.
I'm in my happy place.
It's 3 off the road Texas over here.
Welcome to Texas. The stars at night are big and bright. Deep in the heart of Texas. Something like that.
That was more fun than I should be allowed to have.
trying to make a satellite contact. Kilo November 5 Tango Romeo. Kilo November 5 Tango Romeo. Kilo number 5 Tango Romeo. I could.
Well, that's how my tea was. Mostly I poured tea in there, but I didn't dump out what was in it.
CQ, 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 CQ field day, CQ field day, Kilo November 5, Tango Romeo. CQ, 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 Kilo November 5, Tango Romeo. CQ field day, Kilo November 5, Tango Romeo. CQ field day, Kilo November 5, Tango Romeo. CQ, 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 Kilo November 5, Tango Romeo.
This is Whiskey Echo 4, Bravo Yankee.
Kilo November 5, Tango Romeo.
Kilo November 5, Tango Radio.
So,
That's correct. We are 3 Oscar, North Texas. 3 Oscar, North Texas.
Another outdoor North Texas. Excellent. I hear 3 Oscar, North Texas. I am 1 Oscar, Oscar Romeo Golf. That is Orange, California. QSL?
he means
QSL. Thank you very much. Good luck.
73, good luck. QRZ, Whiskey Echo 4, Bravo Yankee.
Field day. This is Kilo Yankee. Echo Alpha Zulu.
Kilo November 5, Tango Romeo.
All right, I copy Kilo November 5, Tango. 1 Oscar, Oscar Hotel.
Can I get your call sign real fast again?
Yeah, the call sign is Kilo Echo 8, Echo Alpha Zulu, and I am 1 Oscar, Oscar Hotel.
Roger. We are 3 Oscar, North Texas. 3 Oscar, North Texas.
All right, I copy 3 Oscar, North Texas. Thanks for the contact. This is Kilo Echo 8, Echo Alpha Zulu.
I'm back at the house, obviously. This bag worked great for field day and kept everything dry, but it didn't really have a good test out there. We got some rain and some dew, but it did keep everything dry, but I really need to put this bag to the test. Then I thought, Don did a great test, so let's do that. Hey wife, you know how many radios I bought and how much money I've been spending on toys? Oh. That didn't work. Hey girlfriend, you know how much time I've been spending on radios? I guess I need to rethink this. Are y'all ready?
Yeah.
Give me way!
Go! Keep spraying him.
That's enough. He said that's enough.
That's enough.
See what's inside the bag.
Oh, shit.
Right? Candy. Thank you all. Man, this is what's left of field day. We got the Noel still operating, if you can see him with the sun there. We had 3 stations operating as a 3 Oscar for 3 outside. We were operating on 40, 20, and a little bit of 15. I had my satellite antenna right there, which I attempted several contacts with, but never got it. Bummer. We got a mic in the background who gets Dallas stuck in everyone's head. Man, we had a blast. I highly recommend doing this, getting out in the field on any field day event and operate. But till next time, 7-3.
I got this 4 up inside there.